Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my left, one of our brand new items and designs. You're looking at a 20-foot portable walk-in cooler or walk-in box. Okay, you can use this obviously for a cooler or a freezer. But this is going to be a portable walk-in box, and we're going to go ahead and just measure the unit for you, show you the inside, and show you how it works. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and measure. Obviously you're looking at the length 20 feet. For the length on this walk-in box, 20 feet. Okay, 20 feet by 89 inches. Okay, so you're looking at about 7.5 feet, 89 inches. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and open up the door here, show you the inside. With the door, there is keys provided. Okay, so you have the ability to lock this door, and you will be provided with those keys. Also on the side, you have switches here. Okay, so switches for the lighting. You can install lighting on the inside for this walk-in box, and that's going to be your switches right there. Also, I'm going to go ahead and measure the length right here of the opening of the door. You're looking at 31.5 inches. Thickness will be 4 inches, and the overall height for the bottom opening here to the top will be 71 inches. Okay, so that's the measurements for this door entry. Also, before we show you the inside, there's a heating element all around this door frame, just to make sure that there's no frost created on this door frame here. Okay, so there's a heating element on the inside. Okay, now we step inside and show you the inside. We have aluminum material flooring. Okay, it's gonna be all insulated obviously, and I'm gonna go ahead and measure the inside. Very spacey, as you can see, a lot of space for you to store your product. Okay, so from one side to the other, measurement will be 80.5 inches. 80.5. Okay, now for the overall height, be looking at a total of about 85 inches. 85. Okay, all the way to the top, it's going to be 85. Just take a better look right there. You can see it right there, 85. Okay, I'll also measure the corners here. As I mentioned, you're looking at 79.5 for the corners. Okay, so that's going to be the measurements for the inside. As I mentioned, it's a 20-foot walk-in box, so there's a lot of space in here for you to store your product. Insulated, and you got the aluminum flooring. Okay, so 20 feet by 7.5. Okay, portable. As I mentioned, this is a portable walk-in box. Now, if you're interested in one of these walk-in boxes, go on the website, coolerdepotUSA.com. But before that, I want to go ahead and just show you everything. As you can see, there's also casters installed for this walk-in box, and you have a frame over here which can help for your condensing unit. Okay, so as I mentioned, if you're going to go ahead and add that condensing unit, we have a frame here where you can drill or make your hole in the box so that you can store that condensing unit. Okay, so if you're interested in one of these walk-in boxes, go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact size. Okay, so if you have any other questions, you can also give us a call, and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.